In the last video, we saw how to use ChatGPT to seek help for prompting and the different kind of inputs it needs for helping us. Whether you are a fundamental or technical investor, it could help you in both the uh, ways of investing. Now, let me take you through another feature of Gen AI, that is summarizing. See, as a long-term investor, you quite often read news, you read investor memos, so on, and you might forget after a period of time. So it's always better to have a notes or a summary of whatever you read for rereading in a future date. Another places, whether to read it fully or not, you can decide by making a summary first, reading the summary, then decide if you should read the full memo or what. So in this example, I'm going to show that powerful feature. Let me take this recent Berkshire annual report. So this is the 2023 annual report. So in the prompt I mentioned, attached is the recent Berkshire Berkshire Hathaway annual report. Please read it and summarize all the contents. You can mention some word limits like within 500 words or 200 words, which I'm not going to do now. I just want to show the capability now and summarize all the contents. Yeah, so it looks like the letter has a tribute for Charlie Munger, who passed away days before the annual general meeting. Then it summarizes the financial performance, what is the investment strategy, analysis of different businesses, what is the strength, key takeaway for shareholders, and okay, what Buffett stands for. So now I may want more details. Please give me more details. I'm not satisfied with this. I want more details. Now it's going to give you a very elaborate uh, summary of the attachment. So how I use this is, normally after reading sometimes I may want to make notes, but taking notes I don't have a time. So I make a summary of this, put it in a Word file for future reread. So now here you can see the detailed summary. It has beautifully made some table also. So we will find that the summary whatever it gives is much elaborate than whatever we saw earlier. So the Gen AI products are very much excellent in this activity, summarizing. Not only this, you can also use it in a professional life. Like you take a minutes of meeting, you can just scribble whatever you like, means type the gist and give it to you. It will properly give the minutes under proper heading, subheading, bullet points, etc. Only thing is you need to mention it that these are the points from minutes of meeting. I want a perfect summary, and the ChatGPT does it. Yeah. Okay. So I'll catch up in the next video with more features or more capabilities of ChatGPT. Till then, bye. Thank you.